Hi, I'm Wayne Miller. I'm the Chief Digital Officer at Dacxi Global. I'm heading up a team of digital experts in New Zealand. We work with the licensees and the businesses around the world to help grow the business, both in terms of revenue and capability. So how we're using digital channels and digital technology to grow the business in our numerous licensee locations, and also grow our capability in terms of leading edge technology in the digital space. I run a team of very talented digital specialists across multiple disciplines. So we've got a design studio in-house. We've got people who are experts at digital media, paid media, analytics, experts in branding comms. We've cherry-picked people we believe are the best in their field for this industry. Most people have a passion for technology, at least. A lot of them are very active cryptocurrency traders, and digital marketing specialists and data specialists. So Dacxi is pioneering the wealth building space in cryptocurrency. We're at the forefront of quite a new area, I believe, of cryptocurrency, an emerging area of cryptocurrency, which focuses on giving people the confidence and the ability to grow their wealth through our exchange and through the services and the cryptocurrency that we offer. I think from an emerging technology perspective, the biggest problem we can see is probably customer confidence. So how do we give people confidence to invest in a fledgling market, in an emerging technology, and give them the confidence to understand the technology, to start building their wealth in the cryptocurrency industry? Once again, I think it is becoming the pioneers of wealth management in cryptocurrency, giving people the capability and the confidence that they need to start using cryptocurrency as an investable asset class to grow their wealth over time, to add it to their portfolio of assets to grow their wealth. I think that's the core difference with Dacxi, and I think that's our unique value proposition in the market. It's a very dynamic industry, so I think the industry is changing on a daily basis. The biggest ones I see are they're very positive changes. New regulatory infrastructure over cryptocurrency businesses and exchanges, I think, will give a higher level of confidence and credibility to the right businesses like ourselves. Obviously, we don't want to lose that libertarian ethos of cryptocurrency completely. But I think undertaking some level of voluntary regulation will give our customers a level of trust with us and give us some credibility in the market. I think globally, with different governments entering the digital asset market and launching their own digital assets, that will change the landscape of cryptocurrency very, very rapidly. And it'll be very interesting to see what happens with use cases of a lot of these altcoins. You know, I think people see cryptocurrency as Bitcoin, as a commodity. But what's going to happen in terms of the software platforms or the tools that these altcoins release to build their currencies on, I think that'll be a game changer for cryptocurrency, database technology in general. Once again, I think it's the wealth management. I think we're moving away from a traditional trading cryptocurrency audience, and we are pioneering that wealth management space within cryptocurrency. There's very few competitors in that space, and I think what you will see over the next 5 to 10 years is it'll turn into a multi-trillion-dollar industry, the wealth management of cryptocurrency. And Dacxi is the first company in that space, and we're very much taking hold of that niche within cryptocurrency. I think the next year is going to be an incredibly exciting time for us. So if you look at our timeline to deliver some of the use cases for our coin, within the next year we will have our venture funding tool in market, which will allow startups around the world to raise seed capital, Series A funding, Series B funding, Series C funding, all using our tool to bring together fledgling startups and investors globally, using the Dacxi coin as a currency on that platform. I think also as we move through the iterations of our exchange technology, there's some pretty exciting developments there in terms of what we're going to bring out to the market for selling a broader range of coins. I think the end user, it's all about the technology for us. So I think we're going to have a multitude of cohorts who are our end users, whether it is cryptocurrency traders, whether it's older audiences looking to invest in crypto as an investable asset class to build wealth, or whether it's startups or VC companies looking to marry up with each other. I think the customer experience off the back of some of our technology it'll be game changing for those different segments of the market. I think we will very quickly become a known brand in the crypto wealth space, and we will own that space. I think as we release some of our technology platforms and our use cases, we will get known for our proprietary technology and our back-end technology as best in class within the industry. And I think trustworthiness and credibility within an industry that's suffered from a lack of that to some degree in the past. I think Dacxi is really striving to be an organization that consumers, traders, businesses can trust within quite a new industry, which has been a little bit of the Wild West in the past. You know, the geek in me loves working in this kind of fledgling market and this emerging technology. So I think it's just contributing as much as possible towards strategic direction of the business, towards what applications or tools we think customers want within the cryptocurrency space, and how we offer the most we can to certain markets around wealth creation and how we support those markets over time. I think number one, it would have to be the people. I think it's for a global business, which is the modern way of working, it's somehow like a very close family of people. We've cherry-picked some brilliant people in this space who are top of their game in their certain areas, especially around cryptocurrency marketing, analytics and data, technology and back-end builds, people from very substantial fintech backgrounds. So I think the people at Dacxi really contribute to a very positive culture, and one in which innovation is encouraged and your ideas can thrive. And then second to that, I mean, it's some of the projects we're working on. As I said, the geek in me quite likes some of the techier projects and the use cases that we're delivering. So personally, that really appeals to me, seeing what we can get out the door in terms of new technology that hasn't been created before.